function with no argument and with return value, means returning the value. So no arguments, no parameter, but return the value. So same, we will first function header with no parameter, means not receiving any parameters, input command inside of the function, then formula, put it inside of the function header, that return O. This O we will call because returning some value. Okay, so return O, and then in the print command square equal to, and in the function calling we will call inside of the print command. Function calling inside of the print command with no argument. So that's why no argument passing, no parameter receiving, but returning the sum value. So square equal to 25 it will generate, because enter a number 5. This one, then 5 square, in the O value is 25, and this returning O value, then here the generate the value, and it will, whenever functions will call, then it will pass to the this value. So this is the function with no argument and with return value.